Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful, beautiful Friday morning. We just got to do an inventory of the keto brick. Got the van loaded. Let me show you what we're working with here. So we have all the boxes with all the raw ingredients, all the shipping supplies, all that jazz. We're gonna go to the warehouse, my uncle's warehouse, put that on a pallet and shrink wrap it to make transportation easier in the future. So yeah, we're gonna go train chest today. We're gonna go work on clients today. I've got to record a podcast today, so pretty busy day, but most of it will be in front of the computer. Let's see if I can find something interesting for you. We're going to go drop off some packages at USPS, United States Postal Service, and Crystal's eating some bacon. By the way, check this out. This was at KetoCon, but this bacon is the bomb diggity, isn't it?
Bomb diggity.
What are we training today?
Chest.
Chest. Alrighty, y'all. We're about to jump on a client call, work on a YouTube video. We are here at Starbucks, and then we're gonna go train some chest. So here we are. Surprise, surprise. What are you gonna order?
I'm not sure yet.
I'm gonna get a green tea.
Robert's gonna get a green tea. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet.
Lame. That's Crystal yawning.
Stop.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
What we just get done doing?
Working.
Starbucks. Gym time? Do it. Alright, y'all, sorry about that. My memory card was full, so we just left Best Buy. Had to get an SD card. Now we're headed to Whole Foods so my baby can get a big green salad. Isn't that right?
Yep.
Yep, let's do it. Hey, the chest workout was awesome though, by the way. You missed it, but it was great. Alright, y'all, that's my plate. I got one piece of squash, artichoke hearts, kale, hard-boiled eggs. Crystal is rocking a full-blown salad over here. You excited? I also got a thing of sardines that I'm gonna put on there as well. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. That's my bowl. Crystal's just sweating out here eating. You good though? Oh yeah, and we got our kite heel yogurt too. Good stuff. Alright, y'all, the podcast that I tried to record yesterday, I tried to re-record today with no luck. Sorry, I'm just frustrated right now. Internet connection here. I'm at my grandparents right now. It's my granny's house. But internet here sucks too. I tried to make it work, didn't work. Crystal and I are pretty much living out of a suitcase. Hadn't been home literally in like a month now. And like podcast is suffering, just haphazardly. Haven't been able to get out a podcast twice a week like I've wanted to, and it's just frustrating me to no end. Internet connection sucks everywhere I go, and I feel like I'm letting y'all down. So we're gonna just randomly drive home right now so that I can be productive over the weekend and then come back because Crystal's got a doctor's appointment next week. So we're just gonna be crazy. But yeah, that's just kind of where my mind's at right now. I'm gonna stop recording before I say any more bad words. Alrighty, I must make a little reconciliation here. I was really frustrated earlier about the podcast and the internet, and I'm still very frustrated about the podcast and the internet. But at the end of the day, those are all like first world problems, okay? I'm mad because I don't have internet. You know, there's people that don't even have internet. So just take a breath, you know, focus on what all you're thankful for, what all you have, and I can't honestly just like get that mad about something that trivial. So I'll figure out how to fix it. I'll get better internet. We're going home back to Fayetteville now where I've got good internet. I'll get back on top of things, and we'll just tackle it one day at a time. So be grateful for what you do have and don't sweat the small stuff. Peace.
Alright, guys. You know Robert and I are crazy. And so it is now 8 o'clock p.m. and we are going to head back to Fayetteville. So I guess we're gonna pack up our stuff and hit the road.
What's crazy is we were in Texas yesterday, and now we're going back to Northwest Arkansas to come back here for her doctor's appointment in 2 days.
Tuesday. We're crazy.
Alrighty, y'all. It is about 11:30. We got about another 30 minutes to go. Probably getting home around midnight. On the road back to Fayetteville. Almost home after like a month or two. I don't even know how long it's been since we've been home. Here we go. Alright, y'all. We're home. Got a freaking stack of mail. Crystal, what's it feel like to be home?
Feels so good.
Alright.
It's like walking in, I just felt like
Familiar. Alright. We're going to go to bed. We'll talk tomorrow.